Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to get off the Instacart waitlist and possibly shorten your waiting time. So, while it's not possible to completely skip the wait list, there are few ways to reduce how long you wait. On average, the Instacart wait time ranges from 2 to 6 months. Some shoppers get approved within a few weeks, while others might wait even longer, sometimes up to a year. The waiting time really depends on your location and how many shoppers are already active in your area. One helpful tip is to try using a different zip code when applying to become a shopper. Usually, Instacart places you on the wait list if your current area is already full of active shoppers. By entering a nearby zip code with fewer shoppers, you might increase your chances of getting off the wait list sooner. And that's it. That's how to get off the Instacart waitlist. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.